Nigerian farmers may experience a tough farming season this year, going by the prediction of a lower than normal rainfall in all parts of the country by the Nigerian Meteorological Agency. The agency further advised those living in northern parts of the country to expect late start of the rains. Presenting NiMet's 2019 Seasonal Rainfall Prediction in Abuja, the Minister of State for Aviation, Hadi Sirika, said most of the northern states would experience early end of the growing season.
The impacts of climate variability and change are evident to all of us, as manifested even recently in the 2018 rainy season in Nigeria. Many states were subjected to floods and severe storms with attendant loss of lives and properties, as NiMet predicted.
The minister, however, urged stakeholders in the agricultural sector to take advantage of the prediction and do the needful.
The SRP provides useful information for reducing losses and taking advantage of favorable weather conditions to increase productivity. Of course, the more productive you are, the more useful you are.
In the coastal and some southeastern states, however, we are expecting that the onset is going to be normal, meaning how we have been expecting it. But areas that are going to be mostly affected are areas in the extreme northern part of the country. Other
highlights of the prediction indicates that the rains will commence from March 7, especially in the southern region, with earlier cessation date of September 29, 2019. Chooks Okwatu, CNN News.